What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? We're live watching Bitcoin 72,000, practically 900. Just a minute ago, we were at 73,500. Can we cross 73,500 and hold it? I don't know, but let me tell you something. That's a big-ass green candle. Come on. 72 large. That's nice. So that is huge. We are actually sitting right here at our all-time high, baby. Come on. Right, come on. Pumping, pumping, pumping. We'll be here. It's 2:30 right now. I'm going to be here live for the end of the day, looking at the stock market, crypto market. I like to jump on board pretty much every day at the end of the day. Now, I normally do it live for members and university students, but I'm so pumped up, I decided to go live for everybody. But I'm always trading at the end of the day if I see stuff. So I just want to jump on board, hang out, let me know who's here. What's up, what's up, what's up? Dogecoin. Now, Dogecoin was at 17.9, so it was up about 11% earlier. It's pulling back a little bit right now, but it's popping. Dogecoin is popping. You can see here on the 30-minute chart, we are pulling back. Momentum coming off, no problem. Looks good. Looks good. Ondo is popping hard too, up 7%. So we got Dogecoin. Let me sort by percentage really quick, because XRP, what's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? 52 cents. Everything else is like rocket ship. And oh God, you still aren't doing nothing, are you, dude? Yeah, shit. Ondo up 7%, Dogecoin up 6%, Bitcoin pulling back right now, 72,616. We'll do some deeper dive here in a second. Shiba up 3.90%, Algorand 3.63%, bouncing nicely, caught in between this range. Mana, Litecoin up, Chainlink, I like Chainlink. Chainlink is up 11.51. Bouncing nicely. Cardano getting a little bit of love finally, man. Cardano's been sitting around that 33 cents for a long time, popping up 35, up 2.56%. Ethereum, I've been watching, obviously, just like all of y'all, Ethereum. Ethereum's got a ways to go, right, to get to its all-time high. You know, way back in this area, but it's a good. It's a nice green candle. Nice green candle. 2,600. I mean, we went as low as about that 2,350 range recently. We bounced. So like what we're doing. We got another resistance area right here to get through 2,770. Let me do this. Let me switch some gears here. Change some of our levels. So we're sandwiched between 2,377 2,770, right? Got to pop up through there, get us above that 2,800, hold it, go. Come on, Ethereum. Stop fucking around. Let's go. Manic. Up 2.34%. EOS. You know, wow. XLM. XLM has got a nice green candle going on here. Up 1.81%. Sandwiched around some key levels here. And I like XLM. I like XRP, but damn, man, XRP, you know, keep seeing posts all the time here on X about XRP 10,000. Well, goddamn, dude, it ain't doing nothing. 52 cents. I know. It's the last to go, right? Shit. We're going to look at the stock market here in a second. I also got some positions that I'm taking a look at. I'll show you those here in a second. I got into a gold trade today during the live option class. We also day traded the S&P 500 futures this morning. for 10 points. So we've had a strong day. And with the crypto market, we're up nicely today. We just got to get it to continue. Polkadot, right? Polkadot sandwiched between key levels. Tron, it is up today. So I got a lot of green. Solana, actually the only thing down, well, you don't got XRP against Bitcoin. Okay, but popping back up. I like to see Bitcoin get back above that 73 G's. Come on. It is just popping through key levels, man. Bam. Had a level 69.9, 71.9. Now we got to get you up there. Let's go take a look at the stock market. We'll come back to it. So the stock market, S&P 500 right now is up 22. All right. S&P's been doing nicely to the upside there. We did come down at about 5,700. We bounced. Y'all know I trade the stock market. Been in the stock market for 27 years. 27 years. Been trading for 17, investing for 27. Wrote this book about 6 years ago now. This book right here, trading part-time. Teach people how to trade for a living. Or, you know, make some part-time income, whatever they're trying to do. Bitcoin's trying to get back above 73. Come on, 236. S&P's 21. We'll take a look at my option stuff here in a second. I like to trade, again, if there's a setup at the end of the day, I like to take it. I like to take it. S&P 20. So what's interesting is the Dow Jones 30 is down today. Down 127 points, the Dow Jones is down. So that's surprising, right? We got a lot of green. Russell 2000 is down. That's another one that's surprising. Russell's down 10 points. NASDAQ's up 226. We'll check and look at Tesla here in a second as well. Right, Tesla's been popping. I'm not sure what it's doing right now, but NASDAQ's up 226. S&P's up 20. Coinbase has earnings coming up. When is earnings? Tomorrow. Coinbase has earnings tomorrow. That's a big one, y'all. Not as big as the election on Tuesday. I sure hope that goes, you know, our way. And I say our way because if you're in crypto, there is only one way. Estimate is 44 cents. As far as earnings estimate, revenue, 1.26. So that's a big one. That is tomorrow. Wednesday, October the 30th. I'm not sure if it's after hours. Let me bring it over here. So I'm going to bring up my platform by TD Ameritrade. This is where I trade my options as well as my day trade of the futures. Y'all know this morning we day traded the S&P 500, right? 3-minute time frame, quick. We do it for about an hour and 15 minutes a day. Got 10 points. You can see here it's selling off a little bit, but we take a look at Coinbase. I'm going to show you what Coinbase is expected to move. Okay, so Coinbase, the earnings are after the market. So tomorrow after market close, 4:30. 4:30. So if we look at Coinbase, Coinbase's expected move right here, 1182. So Coinbase, the market makers are expecting earnings for Coinbase to move $11.82. Now, this says plus or minus. So it can go either way, right? You just got to predict which way you think it's going to go, or you can trade a strategy that takes advantage of, you know, if it stays inside that range. But that's the move. If we can pop to the upside, that's going to be good. Okay, if you look out here on the earnings tabs, you know, you can sell the 220 put and receive about close to $300. Right, close to $300 if you know how to sell puts, condors, things like that. But that's a big one. That's a big one. I'm looking at General Motors. I'm also looking at Kroger's. We talked about these in class today in my options class. You know, we took all the stocks that basically exist and we narrowed them down to 5. I like Kroger's. No, Tesla's taking a break today. Actually, Tesla had a nice run up. It's pulling back into what's called an earnings flag. Earnings flag. Western Digital flag. So these are the ones I'm watching right now. I'm willing to take a shot if we get one here before the market closes at 3. Gonna go back over here. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's up 28. Look at that pop. Gold is popping through the high right now, breaking out. Gold is screaming. 28, up 1%. Beautiful. Let me tell you something. Gold has been a monster. I got into a gold trade today. I bought a call option. Okay. Call option is where you can leverage the stock, right? So GDX, you can buy GDX or you can trade options. It's a way to leverage it, man. Make a lot of money with a small amount too. You know, you can start option trading for a small amount and you can multiply quickly. So gold's up. The dollar, look at the dollar. The dollar hit its bottom on towards the end of last month, and this has been going up for an entire month. Entire month. So look at Bitcoin, 72. Come on, man. 72,600. ETH trying to get up there, man. Get it back above 3. Cardano's up again. XRP disappointing right now. NVIDIA, we had that down day yesterday. NVIDIA is up right now. 1.25, 0.90%. What's up, Jason? What's going on, Mark? What's going on, Paul? What's going on, Tim? What's going on, Jeff? John? All you guys. Good to be here, man. We made some money today trading the S&P for sure. 10 points a lot, guys. $50 a point per contract. It's a lot. It's a lot. But I like this. NVIDIA holding it. Come on, Bitcoin. Look at that. Just kind of pumping away. Let me go look at some. Okay. So check this out. This is my swing trading crypto portfolio, 30-minute time frame. So right here, we're taking a look at Ethereum against Bitcoin. So you can see this bad boy is dropping. So Ethereum losing a lot of value right now against Bitcoin. It's because Bitcoin's leading the charge right now. Bitcoin's leading the charge. But this bad boy is going down. Everything's just sinking. I love to trade these crypto pairs, especially at the end of the day and early in the morning. Chainlink is just Chainlink's just chopping around sideways against Ethereum. You know what? XRP is up against Ethereum today. XRP is up against Ethereum today. Nice solid green candle. As a matter of fact, XRP had a nice divergence. Look at that. Price was coming down. Momentum going up. XRP's popping. That is what you want to see for a reversal. So XRP is strong against Ethereum. Solana. So XRP strong against Solana today as well. That's interesting. You go over here. Where's Solana at? Yeah. XRP is outperforming Solana today. And again, remember, this is pair against pair, not against the US dollar. But, you know, kind of watching these lows, we got a potential divergence going on. We can hook up. that could be the bottom, and this could go back up, where if you've got XRP, right now Solana's cheap. So if you're a trader, you could sell your XRP for Solana and get it at a discount. And then you want to see it go back up, and then you sell your Solana for XRP. So, man, you can trade these coins, right? You don't have to just buy them against the dollar and hold them. You can trade the pairs, and I do it all the time. But these are my favorite ones right here. Take a screenshot. It's all good. Solana against Bitcoin getting destroyed. Momentum. Solana against Ethereum. Solana's weak today, right? Even though it's up against the US dollar barely. Against the coins, it's weak. But I am watching this one, man, because if Bitcoin breaks out to a new high, what's going to happen is this bad boy is going to break resistance and go down, which is good. Which is good. Because then when Bitcoin tops out, right, when Bitcoin tops out in this cycle, we can sell our Bitcoin and rotate it back into these altcoins. That's how you do it, right? Come on, Bitcoin. 72,000. About to be 72,800. So it's bouncing around. S&P 500, 20 points. Come on, man. Come on, close. I'm surprised over this Russell 2000. That is, with Bitcoin being up as much as it is, I'm very surprised. Okay, very surprised on that one. But I like this. And going back here, just kind of see how it finishes off, right? Got to get it. So if I go to this weekly, let me just drop it down to the weekly. So here we go. If Bitcoin can break this resistance, here we go. Projected target, 98,000. Might do some stops along the way, but again, that's just based on Fibonacci, right? Right there, man. If Bitcoin can pop, then we got to get Ethereum. Look, Ethereum is way behind its all-time high. Don't even get us started on XRP. Shit. Look at XRP, dude. Just to get back to its 2021. Got to do so much. S&P's up 20 in a comeback coming. Fucking dying here. All right, so it ain't doing much, but we can get. I'm telling you, we need to see that, right? So we can be happy. Break above it. It's tried it though. Look in the past. Look at this, man. We have come up to this high multiple times. You know, roughly in this area. Now, I know we didn't touch it, but roughly here, making this other crack at it. So that's 1, 2, 3. This is the 5th time, okay, that it's approached this level. 5th in the last 8 months, maybe 9. 5th time. Maybe that 5th time is a charm. We can pop through it, though. It is over. Pushing back a little bit. 72,558. Yeah, looking at it at that 30-minute chart. You know, we're just getting a decrease in momentum. So you can see here, we went from that baby blue to that dark blue. Last time it kind of bled off a little bit. It's kind of consolidated, went in a squeeze. It's taking a break. Nice run up. So it's still bullish momentum. It's just weakening. It's just weakening. That's all. Even right here, look. Weakening, pulling back. There, into a squeeze. Pulling back, into a squeeze. Starting to pull back. Probably going to take a break, pull back, go into another squeeze before its next pop. So that is big time, right? Pulling back into a squeeze, pop. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for that nice, beautiful uptrend, stacked moving averages, right? That baby blue goes into the dark blue. So we take a break, into a squeeze, and then we're gone. Take a break, into the squeeze, and then we're gone. So what I would expect is to take a break, just come down, chop around, go into a squeeze, and then we're gone. Then we're going to pop that all-time high, and it is game over. Right? Look at Ethereum. No difference, my friends. No difference. Right? Momentum dies down into a squeeze, pop. Momentum dies down into a squeeze, baby pop. Now, what I don't like about this is you got a bearish divergence going on. So when price is going up, indicators going down, we got to say bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. So Ethereum might pull back a little bit more in Bitcoin. But either way, we're starting to consolidate. Fuck is that? Telemarketers and shit. Looking at XRP is kind of like whatever. But, you know, this last one was nice. Pull back into a squeeze. Same divergence, okay? So I don't like this. Indicators going down. Price going up. That's a bearish divergence. So XRP could take a little bit more break than we want. But all eyes are on this bad boy. 72 large, right? 72 large. What about Ondo, man? That's fucking screaming. There you go. Look at that. Damn it. Well, Ondo doesn't quite have a bearish divergence. But momentum died into the squeeze. Momentum's dying down. Probably going to chop. All these look very similar, right? Very similar to Bitcoin. 72 stock market. Come on, man. Pulling back here at the end of the day. What's wrong with you? Shit. Come on. Go. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Get your ass back up over 73. Again, this Russell 2000's got me disappointed. I do like gold being up. I love Coinbase is the big one tomorrow, earnings after market hours, so that's big. And Chainlink is, you know, up against, well, pretty much everything's up against Ethereum today. Even XRP, which is kind of surprising. XRP's up against Ethereum. It's kind of weird because you can see from percentage, as of late, Ethereum is. Either way, let's kind of finish out, take a look at Bitcoin again, see if we can get this right there, guys. 72,000. Again, I still believe we're going to pull back here in the short term, just like we did here. Maybe fall back into this 71,600 range, consolidate, go into a squeeze, and then we're gone. S&P 500 is up 14. I'm not seeing any entries. I'm looking for an entry at the end of the day, right? Dogecoin's been surprising. Ondo's surprising. Looks like for the most part, we're going to finish green on pretty much everything except the Dow Jones 30, which is kind of odd. And the Russell 2000 is down 9. Usually the Russell 2000 is up, right? Small caps, the 2000, small caps. When people are excited, man, when they're pumped, they go into the Russell. You want to see the Russell leading, not lagging, right? You want to see the Dow Jones lagging, the Russell 2000, the NASDAQ 100 at the top, technology, S&P, you know, towards the bottom, but you want to see that Russell lead. But again, you know, Bitcoin, in the next couple of days, there's going to be a lot to tell, but where we really got to pay attention is when Bitcoin breaks to an all-time high and holds it, we got to pay attention because it's going to go fast. We cannot miss this time. Last time I wasn't even paying attention. We cannot miss it. We're going to have to be smart or we're going to give back all of our money. We cannot let that happen again. Right? I watched that bad boy go up and go down because I wasn't paying attention. Again, XRP is pissing me off the most, man. I looked at my portfolio. Everything looks great, but XRP is not doing anything. It's trapped between 50 and 55. It's got to get off its ass, man. It's not doing nothing. EOS is fucking beating XRP. Are you kidding me? EOS? EOS is beating XRP? Fucking Matic. S&P 500. Oh, selling off at the end of the day. Come and bring this back over. Selling off a little at the end of the day. Up 12. You can see that wick. We go over here. Yeah. Falling off. VIX is climbing. So we should finish positive. I don't know. Five minutes. Anything can happen, but I don't see any entries over here. You know, just kind of looking at the futures, which again, I day trade the futures every day. I do it on this channel for members and students, right? We day trade live, S&P 500. We're trying to make a living day trading the S&P 500. We swing trade options live on this channel as well. Again, this is all I do, right? I trade for a living. I don't do nothing else. Been doing it 27 years in the financial. I managed $100 million portfolio, Series 6, 63, 7, 65, Series 24. And now I just teach people how to manage their own money. I got sick of managing people's money, and I decided I wanted to teach people how to manage their own money. Again, portfolios too, right? How do you grow your retirement account? What are some strategies that you can do from the stock market, right? Well, we don't want to put all our money in crypto, from the stock market. You know, how do you grow your IRA? How do you build wealth? Right? You can trade and make quick money, but you can also build a massive. When all of this crypto stuff takes off, what are you going to do with the money? Right? You're not going to just leave it there. You got to do something. It's got to work. That's where people put money in the stock market, right? But they don't just buy stock. They learn different strategies so they can generate income. That's what we're going to do. That's what I did for everybody else. So now I just teach people how to do it. Silver's up. Silver's looking nice. Silver's up. Gold's up. Nasdaq's up. Bonds are up a little, but oil's down. Oil's down. Broke out to the downside. That's good for the gas, right? Russell 2000, though, is very disappointing today. Doesn't look like we're going to get any opportunities for entries. I don't think so. Again, I'm looking at General Motors for options, Kroger's. I'm looking at T-Mobile, Tesla, and Western Digital. Tomorrow, we'll trade these in class. We'll try to see if we can make some money. We're going to day trade tomorrow to S&P 500, but let's all hope that Bitcoin, we wake up and Bitcoin's at like 74,000 and climbing. And then we get Ethereum to get off its ass, and then an XRP get off its ass. So strong positive day. Hopefully y'all's portfolio look good. It should look good. There's a lot of green. If XRP would contribute, it would look better. Join me tomorrow to day trade the S&P 500, okay? That's our goal, full-time income. You know, a couple $1,000 a day, or shit, even $100 a day. You can do it. It's not as hard as you think. You can do it. I teach thousands of people how to do it. Okay, you can do it. All right, let's cross our finger and hope this shit takes off. You'll have an incredible day. We'll see you back here tomorrow, probably live stream. I don't know what I'll do. We'll figure it out, but I'll see you in the morning. Peace.